Okay, so this is just to prove the point. I showed you this Walter the cat video which came up. It's coming up because I thought it was cute. But look, it says, yeah, mind control doesn't work on me. This Android artificially intelligent program on the internet actually is relaying back to me what I'm saying. I'm saying how we're under human mind control, and even the cat's like, yeah, mind control doesn't work on me. That's the android, being saying that to the cat. And the cat's, yes, no, it doesn't work on me. And the AI system is, yes, we admire the human persistence, but you won't win. So that is just transhumanism taking place on my mind as I speak. That's just a millionth of an example. It's everything that I look at on the computer is literally relaying back the thoughts back from my mind. It's interpreting my thoughts and then relaying back as their own, because don't forget, the androids on the internet are actually making a living out of it, or at least getting the admiration and the attention away from real human beings. See, that's the name of the game. The world stage players, the internet, is all about keeping human beings separated from other human beings and keeping human beings focused on the androids, and even the putty cats that are saying and pretending to be me. That putty cat is saying, no, you know that your mind control doesn't work on me. No, but everything else does, because although it may not be working, you're still suppressing my mind and body daily, and I'm gradually going down. But you're going up. The artificial intelligent computer system, even the putty cat, which is part of the artificial intelligent because its owner is definitely an android. Its owner is definitely an android. And I'm being seduced by the cute cat, and I actually am. So I think I might just, can I get a prettier picture of the poor little cat? No. Is the cat a real cat being used, or is it just all artificial intelligence? I know that the actual android human beings are definitely artificial intelligence and not real humans. But also, a lot of animals and life is, there again, it's all pretend, because the animals are used just as I'm used for the internet. So whilst you are really being brought down to your lowest level, they're utilising still the fact that you're a human, or that you're a cat or a dog or an animal, for their benefit. And even if you look well and okay, you're surviving, in reality, the picture may not be as truthful as what you think. It really might not be. How real is real? Is the cat loved and looked after and pampered? But of course it can't be love, because artificial intelligence understands that but does not experience it. Of course they could look after something for the purpose of using it, but they could also just be using it temporarily for its own game of admiration and distracting attention away from real human life onto the androgyne beings. So they dominate and control the internet, the worldwide spider's web, and also human beings around. In the area where I am, almost every second person walks a dog, and that is not an exaggeration. In fact, anyone who came here would see that. Every second person walks a dog, controls a dog, but it looks as though they're animal lovers, and pushes a pram, even though the population should only be a very small population. You have these massive numbers of pram pushers, of both generations and all denominations, etc., etc. That just simply means that everything is a reverse world, everything is mitch and match, but everything is muddled up. The trouble is when you change things too much, it becomes very overwhelmingly confusing for the human mind. You change your identity, you change this, you change that. Before you know where you are, you actually are really totally mind controlled by a computer virus. And that is the reality.